What's going on, guys? Adam here. So this week has been a crazy week. We have over 90 million people that now have a $1,400 stimulus check in their hand. We've seen the stock market go up and go down. We have seen Bitcoin for a brief time surpass $60,000. And we now have many people that are wanting to know, how do I save this money? Well, that is exactly what I want to show you in today's video. I'm going to walk you through a couple steps that you can do to put more money in your pocket and potentially double your $1,400 stimulus check. What I can tell you is that in a recent report from CNBC, they state that only 41% of Americans could afford a $1,000 emergency. That's a big issue. And out of those people that could afford that $1,000 emergency, 16% of those people would be required to put that emergency on a credit card. And I know times are tough. I know we are in a pandemic, but a pandemic is not a good excuse for a reason as to why you are not saving at least a little bit of your money. Now, again, I understand times are tough, but let me make things a little bit easier for you. In just a minute, I am going to walk you through two very easy steps that you can do right now, today, to actually put more money in your pocket. Now, before I jump into this, I want to just explain one thing. You do not become rich, you do not become wealthy by doubling your money in just 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it takes a little while. What I'm going to show you today is not actually doubling your stimulus check. And this is where your mindset really comes into play, and the mindset of money is really impacted. All right. What I want to do today is I'm going to show you not how to double your money. I'm going to show you how to make your money stretch further and go about 2 times as far as it is currently going right now. And another thing I just want to say is I'm not going to tell you to go and put your $1,400 stimulus check into Bitcoin. I'm not going to tell you to go put your $1,400 stimulus check into the stock market. Now, both of those things are great. I'm heavily invested into the stock market. I do own Bitcoin. However, today I want to show you how to save, not how to invest. So here's what we're going to do. Every single week, my wife and I, we go and we spend, X amount of dollars to buy food, for maintenance on the vehicles, cars, we eat out, whatever, right? We just provide for ourselves and our family. Well, what if I told you there is a way that you could actually save money by buying things? There is a way you can actually save money by doing the shopping that you're currently already doing. Well, it's true, it's possible, and you can do it. I'm going to show you exactly how. Right here is a gift card that I bought from Ross. Now, this gift card, I ended up paying, I think it was like $200 for this gift card. However, the gift card itself held $260 on it. Now, do you want to know exactly how I did it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. There is a website out there. It's a free website. The website is called raise.com. On raise.com, it allows you to buy genuine discounted gift cards at a fraction of the price. Even though it had $260 on it, I spent less than $200 for this gift card simply because I knew where to go. And that's raise.com. But let's say I decide I want to take my family, my wife, and my kids. I have 3 kids. I want to take them out for breakfast. Well, where should we go? Should we go to Denny's? Should we go to Red Robin? Where should we go for breakfast, right? McDonald's, Jack in the Box. Or let's just go to Krispy Kreme. Well, currently on raise.com, I can buy a Krispy Kreme gift card for over 20% off. This means that I am saving 20%. So instead of spending $10, I'm going to spend about $8. And that is where you can really make your money go further. But let's say I'm not spending money on food. I need to go get my oil changed on one of my cars. Well, okay, great. Currently on raise.com, I can go and get a gift card, a discounted gift card to Jiffy Lube, and I can get it over 30% off. This means I do not have to pay $100 to go and get my oil changed and a full workup and maintenance done on the car. I can save 30%, which means I only spend $70. And this is, again, where you can make your money go further. And the trick here is not to go and buy all these different gift cards that you are never going to use. You just buy the discounted gift cards that you will actually be using. What I personally like to do is I go and buy gift cards usually about a week or 2 weeks in advance to make sure that If this is a physical gift card, like this one from Ross, it actually has enough time to ship to me and I can use it. And remember when I said I want to change the mindset, change the way you think about money? Well, the reason I'm doing that is because it's much easier to save money than to make more. Yes, I know if you want to double your $1,400 stimulus check, take that $1,400. Again, this is a joke. Do not do it. You can take it to a casino, put it on black or put it on red, and wait for them to spin that wheel and see if you double your money. You could do that, and that would be a quick way. But the easiest way, the more surefire way to double your money is actually only to spend half of it as opposed to spending the whole thing. So instead of spending $1,400, or instead of taking that $1,400 and turning it into $2,800, you're actually only spending $700, but you get the value of a full $1,400. Now, this is just one way that you can actually save money. Another thing that you can do is actually go and use a coupon. This is something that I use all the time, and it doesn't matter. It does not matter if you're a millionaire, you're worth $100,000, or you're worth $50. Using a coupon on something that you know you're already gonna buy it just makes sense. It's just common sense. For example, let's say I want to go and buy, want to go and buy some Powerade. Well, how do I go and do that? Or let's say it's Gatorade. What could I do? The simplest thing to do is go and get a coupon to go and buy some Gatorade or Powerade at a discount. For instance, I picked this up for 85 cents on pretty much everyday prices, 85 cents. Well, I know I can get a 25-cent coupon for this exact same thing. So instead of spending 85 cents, this actually brings the cost down to 60 cents. And when I drink about 2 of these a day, 50 cents per day, it does add up. It comes out to about, $15 per month. Over the course of a year, you're gonna save over $100, and that's $100 you can use for something else, or just put it right back into your pocket. One of the websites I absolutely love using, and I use them all the time, it's a very easy to use website, it's called coupons.com. And what I like about coupons.com, it's very easy. You can send the coupon right to your phone. The other thing is they have a decent amount of coupons. Right now, being it's allergy season, I know I can go to coupons.com and I can get $4 off just by getting a bottle of Claritin. Now, like I just mentioned with this bottle of Powerade or Gatorade, whatever you want to drink, right? It's up to you. When I said I save about 25 cents a bottle, or 25 cents of, I guess this is a bottle, that's just for me, right? I got 3 kids, 2 of which play sports. So if, let's say I drink 2 and my kids both drink 1 a day, which is a little excessive, but let's say they do. That would be four bottles at 25 cents a piece. That comes up to $1 a day or $30 a month, or, you can do the math, $365 for the year. So just keep in mind right now, just keep this in mind, that saving a little bit at a time, a quarter at a time, $4 at a time, it's a little bit, but a little bit does add up if you do it right and you are consistent. And one thing I just want to address is that saving money is the key in the beginning to building your wealth. It doesn't matter if you make $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or $100,000 per month. If you consistently spend every single penny of what you make, you will be poor, and you will be poor for the rest of your life. But if you can save 25 cents off a bottle of Powerade, you can go and save $30 off of doing the maintenance on your car. You can save $2 by buying donuts for your family. If you can do this time and time again, not only will you have more money saved up, you could actually take that money, invest it in the future, and then you can be truly wealthy. So if you don't just want to know how to save money, but you also want to know how to make money, grow your wealth, or even start a business, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. But I just wanted to create this video because I know so many people are getting their $1,400 stimulus checks and they're going to buy a new computer, but they do not need the computer. Or they're going to buy a new TV, but they don't need a bigger TV. Or they go and take their money and they just blow it on whatever they want to buy. Well, that's fine. It's understandable, but that's not the best way to save money or actually grow your wealth. one piece of advice, one tip that I have for every single person out there. If you have a $1,400 stimulus check, do not spend more than $1,400 and do not go and commit to a monthly payment of any kind. I have gone through the stores multiple times throughout the past few days. One of the things I'm seeing more often than not is somebody spending all of their money to get the new $3,000 TV at Costco, to get the new, iPad, Pro, get the new MacBook, the 16-inch. I can tell you right now, if I didn't actually use this for work, for business, I wouldn't have bought it. Now, I didn't go and buy this with the stimulus check. I've had this for over a year. But just keep in mind, if you do not have to spend the money, don't spend it. So as always, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing so I can keep you up to date on everything that's going on across the world and also teach you some good money habits. Again, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.